So this morning, go to start the Ferguson and nothing happens. Right. A bit of trouble starting yesterday. Nearly. So basically, on a petrol paraffin Fergie, the starter motor is controlled by the gear stick. The selector shaft on the right hand side moves forward and operates this switch. So it looks like we're going to need one of those. The other side. Uh, 7/16 nuts on top, which I'll give this new degreaser a go first. Yeah, it smells good. It's a bit cleaner. Right, this should be attached on the inside via a pin. This should be attached on the inside. We're going to support this with a cable tie maybe, or a bit of string, so that it doesn't drop inside the bell housing. There we go. Like so. And here is our old switch. This is our new one. A little bit of spray grease on the bottom there. When you push that lever forward into the start position, it pulls back on a shaft. That rocker pivots and pushes onto the bottom of the switch. Put it in from the other way this time to make it a little bit easier. So, our switch is on slotted holes. What we're going to do without connecting everything back up again, we're going to put our multimeter on continuity, put it across the two terminals, and slide it forward and backwards until we get a nice contact. Perfect. Then we can do these bolts up tight. Right, so we'll leave the air cleaner off just to try it. So now, hopefully, perfect. Air cleaner's on all back together, so hopefully